That's a little more acceptable. Hey, how's it going? So today, I'm gonna show you how to clean your pipe. Mine is pretty dang dirty. It's gooey. We'll concentrate on that later. I'd like to talk a little bit about marijuana. So, I've been smoking marijuana since I was 18, and it's really helped me definitely with my broken leg. Can quit when I want. I go for drug tests all the time when I worked on the rigs. I heard that the Supreme Court has just ruled that marijuana is not a gateway drug anymore, but prescription pills and such are. So what do you think about that? Our Prime Minister has promised that marijuana will be legal within the next year, maybe. Maybe they'll do it on 420 in April. That'd be cool. But yeah, so I smoke weed out of my pipe and it gets frickin' clogged right up. It's pretty bad. But we're gonna get rid of all the duct tapiness. It's duct tapey because it's stripped in the middle. I'll show you when we open her up a little bit better. But yeah, I'm gonna clean that and make a nice little piece of wood to hold that all together a little bit better. Hopefully, we'll do that today. And that'll be my video. Here I go. Alright, so got our pipe, lots of paper towel. I got some nails, a knife, pen, lighter. I don't know what the pen's for, but I got one. Here's some Q-tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the screen, the mouthpiece, all the inside there. Heck, I'll even do the outside a little bit. Definitely get rid of all this gooey frickin' duct tape. We're going to get messy. That's okay. Wash is off just fine. Get some lucky. Always need a little bit of lucky. This table's buried. Opa! Well, rip Mom's ashtray. So, fix the table. And I guess we should just maybe get to it. So the first thing that I like to do, you gotta warm it up. Achy resin hoot. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, let's get into this thing.
So, unscrew it and look at all that gross shit coming out of there. Oh, I should probably take the screen out. Just need a little bit more to hold on to. And then, yeah, just get it in pieces. And we'll work from there.
Now this part's going to be a little bit more tricky. Be careful. It's going to be the gross part. Oh, that's not too bad. And that can go directly into the fire pit. Oh, so close. Yeah, let's give her a quick goop down here. Getting that off is going to be tough. Oh, frick. I think we need the vise. Maybe I need an actual pair of pliers. So, after an extensive amount of looking around my mom's shop, there is not a single pair of pliers anywhere around here. And as you can see, there's actually nothing. Like, she's taken everything away. There's like a box of crap here, and that's about it. So I'm gonna have to get a little bit inventive. So the only thing I found is this very large clamp. But you know what? I bet you she'll do just fine. Oh, there she goes. Hey, look at that. Yay. Yucky. Oh, Jesus. Back to the vise. Bam. So the only parts that we really want are this one and this one. I'm going to use a block of wood to make it whole again. Just shove them in there. Do whatever it takes to keep them in. Probably glue it. Alright, first things first. This ugly old ass screen here. Just take a lighter. And just let her sizzle. Just squish it a bit. Get all that shit off of it. Don't touch it yet. Let's give it some time. Flatten her out. And then you squidge it back and forth. She's all clean now. Next we got the bowl. Friggin' work. Get all that crap out of there. And basically just get it as clean as you can. Bowl's the easy part. You get it a little bit hot. Wipe it off. Oh, hello. Yeah. Maybe do the inside a bit. It's pretty dang clean to me. Next is this stemmy part. So now you get the bulk of it out like that. Let me use a Q-tip. Get all that crap out of there. Use multiple. As many as you need. These things fit through the hole fairly nicely. So something just occurred to me. Hole inside of here is really small. It could be widened out a little bit. If I took a drill bit and just bored it out just a smidge, we'd get some better hoots off of her. Just got this brand new drill bit set. Never have too many drill bits. And the key is not to fuck up the threads. Well, that was easy. Little filings out of there now. One last final little smidge of clean out. Alright, that's 2 parts down. But, throw that screen back in there. Now comes this part. No, probably almost bore that out to 3/16. Makes no frickin' sense to have one big and the other one big. It'll cut off the airflow. Should both be the same. Making the decision. Putting my foot down. Fist down. Bah! Alright, she's all bored out. Clean out the gunk off the inside. Alright, good enough. Put that with the done pile. So, I could try and push a Q-tip through there. But it's not really the best way to go. These old nails, they're from a gun, and it's all I got, but they're clipped on the end. So we'll see how it works, but it should do a lot better job than just nothing. Oh, that's disgusting. Well, it did a pretty good job, I'd say. Let me mention, it's been a long time since I cleaned this pipe out. That's fairly clean. Give it a once over with the edge of the scissors. Alright, I'm calling it. That one's good. This one, not so much. Oh, that's pretty gross too. Right. So all that stuff is clean. You load everything up. Yeah. To the gods. So that's kind of the setup I want. So I need a block of wood that'll get me from this point to this point. make a hole, shove the two ends through with some glue. Hopefully it works. Maybe I'll even stain it. Who knows? Stay tuned to find out. So we got like 3/4 of an inch here. That's just a mark because the end's all messed up. And then we got 3/4 of an inch there. So now we just got to figure out how long that needs to be. The thread sticking out. And then we'll put this, right, butt it up to it. And that is our length. About there. Cut, cut, cut. There we go. Hopefully we can drill a nice straight hole through this bad boy, and the pieces will fit nicely. Total freehand here, why not? Got lots of wood. Looks straight. It looks straight, it is straight. So we got this like everything glue, I guess. Let's give her a shot. All right. Which I don't even have to wait for that to dry. And if I do, I'm not gonna. I was thinking about ways to make this thing round. And I came across this idea, which I stole off a guy named Michael Cthulhu. And all you do is you clamp the drill down to the table, and then you have something for the other end to go in. In this case, it's a piece of wood I just nailed down. And then you fire it up. It's going to be loud, so. Then I'm going to use a grinder to make short work of it, and you get yourself a homemade lathe. Well, hot damn, that don't look too bad. Pop her out and have a look. I think it's time for a coat of stain. What do you guys think? So there we go. That's what we ended up with. It's not too bad. It is my first time lathing absolutely anything, I think, since grade 9. So that was a long time ago. So the only thing left to do is to test her out. So yippee-ki-yay. Well, let's see if it works. Smooth. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure enjoyed making it. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching.